One company changed the electric car industry. Another is now selling more electric vehicles than anyone else. This is Tesla versus BYD, the biggest EV battle.
Electric vehicles are replacing gasoline cars faster than ever. And two companies are leading this global revolution.
Tesla, founded in 2003, transformed EVs from niche products into desirable, high-performance vehicles.
BYD, founded in 1995, began as a battery manufacturer before becoming one of the world's largest electric vehicle companies.
Tesla focused first on premium electric cars, while BYD steadily expanded from batteries to affordable electric transportation.
BYD built a wide range of vehicles, from compact city cars to luxury sedans and electric buses.
Tesla manufactures vehicles in the United States, China, Germany, and continues expanding production capacity. BYD operates massive manufacturing facilities and continues expanding into Europe, Southeast Asia, Latin America, and other global markets. One of BYD's biggest strengths is vertical integration. It designs many of its own batteries, motors, and electronic components.
Tesla also invests heavily in battery technology, including its advanced 4680 battery cell development.
BYD's Blade battery gained attention for improved safety, durability, and efficient space utilization.
Tesla vehicles consistently receive high safety ratings in many international crash tests. BYD also places strong emphasis on safety. Multiple models achieve excellent safety certifications.
Tesla's supercharger network remains one of the largest fast-charging infrastructures in the world.
BYD customers primarily rely on public charging networks that continue expanding globally.
Tesla is widely recognized for frequent over-the-air software updates. These updates improve vehicle features after purchase.
BYD also offers advanced digital displays, smart connectivity, and driver assistance technologies. Tesla's Model Y has become one of the world's best-selling electric vehicles.
BYD's Seal, Dolphin, Atto 3, and other models have achieved strong international sales.
Both companies have traded leadership positions in global plug-in vehicle sales during different reporting periods.
Tesla generally targets premium and mid-range buyers, while BYD competes aggressively across multiple price categories.
Tesla emphasizes minimalist interiors, while BYD often offers more traditional luxury features.
Tesla continues investing in advanced driver assistance and autonomous driving research.
BYD is also expanding its intelligent driving systems through partnerships and ongoing research.
Manufacturing efficiency and battery supply have become major competitive advantages in this industry.
Both companies are rapidly expanding exports as global demand for electric vehicles continues growing.
Competition is especially intense in China, Europe, and increasingly across emerging markets. Innovation will determine future leadership. Both companies continue investing billions of dollars in research and development.
The next generation of electric vehicles could offer longer range, faster charging, and lower production costs.
Rather than one clear winner, both companies are accelerating the world's transition toward cleaner transportation.
As technology evolves, consumers ultimately benefit from better vehicles, greater choice, and increased competition.
Who do you think will lead the future of electric vehicles? Tesla? Share your opinion in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to more business, technology, and investment documentaries.